Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more exhausting than navigating an airport while carrying 20 extra pounds of baby gear, only to board your flight and realize you are crammed into a tiny middle seat with zero room to move, let alone nurse. If you are flying with a little one, whether you are taking a quick weekend trip to Miami or jetting off on a long luxury vacation, comfort is not a vibe, it is a total necessity. Squeezing into coach while trying to position a baby at your breast is a recipe for a total mid-flight meltdown. But upgrading your seat, that is the ultimate game changer. Today, we are spilling the tea on why extra legroom and first-class upgrades are the absolute best investment you can make for your breastfeeding journey, and how to travel like a total VIP. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your mind, or your luxury aesthetic. We know that being a nursing mom does not mean you have to stop taking vacations, buying high-end gear, or living your absolute best life. But it does mean you need to prioritize your comfort and sanity. Grab an iced coffee and let's get into it. The secret to a peaceful flight with a nursing baby is not just about packing the right toys or the right diapers. It is all about the real estate you occupy on the plane. We are going to break down exactly how extra space protects your body, keeps your milk supply up, and transforms your entire travel experience from stressful to totally bougie. Let's start with the absolute baseline reality of nursing in a tight space. Breastfeeding requires physical room. You need space to position your baby, hold a nursing pillow, shift your weight, and latch without slamming your elbow directly into a stranger's ribs. When you score that first-class upgrade or opt for premium extra legroom, you are buying privacy and physical freedom. You get wider seats, deeper recline, and massive amounts of space between you and the seat in front of you. This means you can comfortably use your favorite high-end nursing pillow without feeling like you are trapped in a cardboard box. Plus, that extra breathing room gives you a natural shield from nosy passengers. You can adjust your clothing, use a chic muslin cover, or nurse completely free without worrying about the person next to you bumping your arm mid-feed. It is all about creating a peaceful, stress-free bubble for you and your baby. Now, let's talk about the physiological side of things, because stress is the absolute #1 enemy of your milk supply. When you are cramped, uncomfortable, and anxious about invading your neighbor's space, your body releases cortisol, which can seriously delay your letdown reflex. First-class upgrades solve this completely. Instead of fighting for an inch of armrest space, you are kicking back with extra legroom, premium service, and total relaxation. You have plenty of space to keep your luxury travel stroller gate checked, slip your designer diaper bag right under the seat, and settle in. Many first-class cabins even feature wider armrests that act as a perfect shelf for your water bottle or an extra pump parts container. If you use a cordless wearable pump like the LV or Willow, the extra space makes it so much easier to slip the pumps into your bra without performing a bizarre contortionist act in front of the entire cabin. You can pump or nurse in total peace, keep your hydration high with complimentary premium water, and keep that liquid gold flowing effortlessly. Finally, let's look at the ultimate logistics hack: getting on and off the plane. First-class upgrades and premium tickets mean you get priority boarding. You are the very first group on the aircraft. This gives you a massive advantage because you can take your sweet time getting settled, arranging your nursing station, and organizing your gear in the overhead bin before the massive rush of passengers floods the aisle. There is no frantic scrambling while a line of 100 people stares you down. When the flight lands, you are also the first ones off, meaning you can breeze through the terminal, skip the heavy crowds, and head straight to the Amex Centurion Lounge or airport nursing room to freshen up. It saves your energy, protects your peace, and ensures your vacation starts the exact second you step foot in the airport. Investing those extra bucks into your seat is truly the ultimate power move for your mental health. Traveling as a breastfeeding mom does not have to be a nightmare. With the right upgrades, the right mindset, and a little bit of luxury space, you can conquer any miles, anywhere, and keep your baby perfectly fed and happy. If you loved these tips and want more real talk on navigating motherhood, luxury travel, and all things baby, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you believe mamas deserve the first-class treatment, and drop a comment below telling us your ultimate travel hack. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.